Hello, my dear shining stars. Welcome back to our previous class. In our last class, we started our 6th chapter, Animal Life, right? And we discussed about domestic animals or pet animals. Dear children, did you read the chapter well? Okay, shall we start our today's class? Today, we can discuss the rest of the chapter, Uses of Animals. My dear little ones, did you like cats? It's a very beautiful pet animal, right? Cat, purrs. Do you know what is the meaning of purrs? Purrs means the sound made by the cats. Did you know why do cats purr? If they need something or if they get pain, they make the sound purr. Say, my little ones, what is its main food? Yes, very good. Milk and fish, right? Do you know what is the use of cats? Yes, it kills the rats and eat the meat of rat. They can see very well even in dark. Okay dears, did you understand about cat? The next animal given in your textbook is goat. We know that goat gives us milk and meat. Its milk and meat is very good for our health. Dear children, did you know the name of this animal? Yes, this is sheep. We get wool from sheep. Sheep's fur is removed from its body. Fur means smooth hair. And with these fur, woolen clothes are made of. Dear children, did you know when do we wear woolen clothes? Yes, we wear woolen clothes in winter season, right? Okay, did you understand about sheep? The next domestic animal given in your textbook is horse. This horse is used to pull the carts and to ride longer distances. Dear children, did you know the name of this animal? Yes, this is a donkey. Tell me dears, what is its use? Yes, this donkey is useful to carry heavy loads. Like cat, sheep, horse, donkey, etc. Some people domesticate rabbits and deer in their houses. Okay, dear children, did you understand about these pet animals? Okay, so now we are going to discuss about pet birds. The first one given in your textbook is hen. Hen gives us what? Yes, very good. Hen gives us egg and meat. Hen's eggs are very healthy and its meat is very nutritious. Dear children, can you identify this place? Yes, this is a poultry farm. The place where more number of hens are reared is called a poultry farm. Once more, what is a poultry farm? Yes, the place where more number of hens are reared is called a poultry farm. The next pet bird we are going to study is duck. We all know that duck swims in water and they eat small insects present in water and mud. Duck gives us what? Yes, very good. Duck gives us egg and meat. The next pet bird given is parrot. We know that it is green in color and it looks so beautiful, right? And what about its beak? Yes, its beak is red in color and is curved in shape. These parrots are the only birds they can speak. In this video, we can clearly hear the sound of parrot. Dear children, did you hear the sound of parrot? Okay, the next bird given in your textbook is dove. They can fly longer distances. In olden days, people used to send letters and messages with doves. Okay, dear children, did you understand? Shall we read the textbook? Okay, all of you take page number 41. Cat purrs. It takes milk and rat's meat. It can see well even in dark. Goat also gives milk. Its milk is also good for our health. Sheep. Woolen clothes are made of sheep's fur. Some people eat the meat of goat and sheep. Horse is used to pull the carts and to ride longer distances. Donkey is useful for carrying loads. Some people pet rabbits and deer also. Pet birds. Hen's eggs are part of a healthy diet. Its meat is also nutritious. The place where more number of hens are reared is called a poultry farm. Duck swims in water. It eats small insects present in water. Some people eat the meat and eggs of the duck. Parrot has a red curved beak. It is green in color. It looks beautiful. Parrots can be trained to speak some of the words used in our language. Doves can fly longer distances. In olden days, people used to send letters and messages with doves. We have to pet these animals and birds as they are useful for us in many ways. Okay, my dear children, we finished the A part of our 6th chapter, Animal Life. I hope you all understand the whole chapter very well. It's time to wind up our today's class. See you in the next video. Thank you.